American Airlines is committed to giving customers peace of mind when they travel. Piedmont Airlines is making sure the air our passengers breathe is as clean as possible on our regional aircraft. Our aircraft maintenance team is hard at work, engineering solutions and modifying our aircraft to ensure the health and safety of our passengers.
We do modifications to airplanes from the way that they originally were built to enhance the reliability, safety, passenger comfort. Our particular aircraft, the 145, was the last aircraft to be built without a real filtration system in it. So I had been working on about a year ago putting a filter in it, similar to what we had done to our Dash 8 fleet.
And the HEPA filter, basically it's high efficiency particulate air. So it takes particulates out of the air, including the viruses and things like that, to a 99.9% level.
While it may seem that during the flight air is recycled throughout the cabin, air is actually constantly being refreshed throughout all of our flights.
From the engine coming through, they're pulling in a whole bunch of fresh air. They're running it through the air conditioning system.
On the recirculation side, we take the conditioned air that comes off of the engines and we combine it with the recirculation air. And that creates a very high volume of air inside the cabin, so much that we turn over the whole entire cabin air around 3 to 4 times every 10 minutes. And it's the same filtration rate that's on a typical Airbus or a typical Boeing.
Piedmont's maintenance team actually worked on designing parts of the filters themselves and have worked with the FAA, Embraer, and American Airlines to get parts certified and installed on aircraft utilizing new virtual technology.
Our engineering department started producing prototype parts using 3D printing methods, which are very, very fast, and then started doing testing. We manufacture everything but the filter here in-house. We have a full machine shop here. We're building enough filter kits, and then that gives the planning folks time to be able to get the airplanes in and get the filters installed.
So that complies with the first step.
We did have to do what's considered remote testing technology, the FAA representatives. We had them live on camera and on Zoom, and they witnessed all the testing that we did to show that the system worked as it was supposed to.
Make the FAA feel that they were right there. So we were one of the first approvals for live and video approval of ops checks by the FAA.
Piedmont completed installing HEPA filters on all of our aircraft so that American Airlines fleet, no matter the size, stays committed to improving air quality for our passengers. Aircraft maintenance is constantly evolving with new technology, and our aircraft maintenance technicians at Piedmont do much more than routine checks on planes. Their ingenuity and problem solving is put to use every day, and Piedmont provides the resources to help our team excel in their maintenance careers, to try new ideas and develop new technology, working on every part of the aircraft.
We have a lot of people here that have been here at Piedmont for 20, 30 years.
We rely on each other to maybe look at things from a different angle, to think of ways to improve the way we're doing or make it a little more efficient. As a regional airline, a mechanic, they can come in here and they can pretty much do what they like to do and be the best at it. And as soon as they master that, move on to something else and be the best at that. And before you know it, you are a #1 mechanic out here working the line that can be working on any part of the aircraft.
The entire company was involved with this whole effort. We'll just keep increasing that level of confidence of our customers to come back and fly with us.